terrible! Oh, thank God I disposed of it with my crap. Well, time to move on with my day. Oh, just work on some modifications for the Switch. Yeah, get some of that done. Wait, what's going on there? Hey, what you guys doing?
Oh, hey, I'm just helping the kids sell some of their old stuff so they can save up for a video camera. They want to start YouTube.
Oh, that's nice! I had a YouTube channel once, but it died because I didn't upload like everyone else, but I got a lot of cool stuff here. Oh, look at that, a Beyblade! I haven't seen a Beyblade for a long time. You know, I want to try this out. Okay. Okay, what is this? Oh, Skylanders! Oh my God, what is this? 2008? This is amazing! Look at this guy! And then this guy, he hits that guy. Man, you guys get cool stuff! How much is that? Oh, it's only $1.
Hey, if you break it, you buy it. Well, kids, I just want to tell you everything is actually going up for over $10 because I made a lot of money for those Skylanders and those stupid Beyblade too. So we're gonna sell it for at least like above $10.
Oh, that's just nice. Oh, what are those? What's it? Books! Ew, books! Oh, wait, what book is this? R.L. Stein! You read R.L. Stein! Who reads R.L. Stein?
It was a pretty good book, yeah.
Well, it sucks! How much are you selling this for?
$15.
$15 for an R.L. Stein crap book? You gotta be kidding me. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Star Wars Lego!
That's actually a puzzle.
It's a Lego! Wait, it's a puzzle. You're right. 1,000! That's $1,000! No one's gonna pay that!
No, that's just the pieces, Iggy.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh man, you guys got a lot of cool stuff. What was that?
Oh, oopsie. Looks like you stepped on a Squeaky Toy.
The what? That's the Squeaky Toy?
Yeah.
Oh, cool! Oh, that's so cool. Give me a second. That's so cool! I can put my anger into this toy. I'm gonna call him Frank. How you doing, Frank? I know you're scared, but I'm here for you. Oh, this is so amazing! How much is it?
You know what, Iggy? Since you're my star customer, even though you didn't buy anything from me ever, I'm gonna sell that to you for a book.
A book?
Yep, a book.
Oh! What's a book? $1! Just give him $1 and you can have the Squeaky Toy. Okay, fine! Take your invisible money! Okay, bye!
Where's the money, baby Mario?
It's invisible money, baby Luigi! You can't see it, you idiot!
Wow, move out the way, you bum! Alright, kids, grab the stuff. We're trying eBay.
Alright, Frank! Tell me a little bit about yourself. Oh, that's amazing! You're a musician! That is so cool! Oh, what else do you like? Taco Bell is a great fast food establishment. We should go have some right now. Oh, maybe later. I know what we can do. Do you want to play Minecraft Survival? But you want to play the Village? Let's play Village. Come on, let's go play Village. Oh man, that's gonna be so fun, Frank. Let's play. Blah! I'm a zombie and I want to kill you. Blah! Oh no. Are you having fun, Frank? Oh, that's great! Making you trade with a villager! How darn good! You're a good friend, Frank! I just want to play with my Squeaky Toy!
Oh, I am just the most beautiful girl in the world. What? Since when do we have a Shrek towel? So weird. Weird brothers and all. Oh my god, what is that noise? Squeak! Iggy, stop that noise! It's so annoying! Oh my god! Iggy, where is that noise coming from?
Oh, it's coming from my squeaky toy. You want me to squeak it?
No, I don't want you to squeak the squeaky toy. I want you to stop doing that noise. It is so annoying. I am trying to look at myself in the mirror and text my boyfriend at the same time, telling him how I look today because Snapchat is broken today, okay? And this squeaking is annoying. So stop the squeaking. Just stop. You made me throw my squeaky toy. Be gone, thought. Fine, then. You don't even know what that word means. Yes, it does! Oh, thought! Like this one in my head! Idiot!
Forget made me drop my squeaky toy.
Scream, Frank! Frank! Oh my god, Frank! Are you okay?
Yeah, Frank, she is all those things. She's annoying and stupid and she's a butthead. She's really attractive though, but she's mean! She's a mean thought! We should do something else, like, you wanna watch a movie? Let's watch a movie, come on, let's go! Alright, Frank, this movie's gonna be great. I highly recommend it. Let me just get the TV on. We're gonna watch 13 Reasons Why. Oh, I guess you're right, it is actually a TV show, it's not a movie. Whatever, we're gonna watch the whole thing right now. And I'm gonna get the TV remote, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go get the TV remote.
There is that noise again. Iggy! Iggy! Stop that squeaking noise! I'm trying to watch videos on my phone. I'm trying to text. I'm trying to relax. But you are squeaking that squeaky toy way too loud. Go outside. It's getting warmer. Just stop it. If you squeak that thing one more time, I will come in with scissors and cut its head off. Ooh, you messed with the wrong girl! The wrong girl! Shut up, you're an idiot!
Right, Frank, she's an idiot! Yeah, high five!
Ooh, he's gonna get it. Iggy, if you don't move out of the way, I will cut that palm tree off your head.
Oh, what palm tree? Oh, we talking about my hair, on my head? That wasn't that bad of an insult, but it could have used some work.
Ugh, give me that. No! Say goodbye to your little annoying friend, Iggy.
You wouldn't dare! You're ready!
Oh, really? Well, we'll see about that.
No! Frank!
That felt very good. Back to my phone.
You. I'm sorry. Is everyone here? Okay. I think we can get started. I'd just like to thank everyone for coming today for Frank's funeral. I'm very honored to have all of you here. We're good friends, very close for many years. Morton, Mr. Fishy Fish, Steve from Minecraft Xbox 360 version, Elastigirl, and the 10-piece chicken nugget box! With french fries still in it. Well, so, guests can't actually have this. I'm sorry, but, hopefully you aren't disrespected by that. But, if anyone is getting emotional during my speech, I would like you to, take some fries. Maybe you might feel better. I'm not sure, but this is very sad. It's very touching, and I think we all have something to say on Frank's behalf on what happened today. So I think I'll start. Frank was a very good friend. He was there for me for 30 minutes. And we had fun. We played many games and Every squeak made me smile more than ever, even if I had my darkest days. I'm sorry! Okay, I think I feel better, but it's not the same without Frank. He doesn't squeak anymore. It's not the same. And I rue the day that Wendy cut Iggy's head off. And I will get my revenge. And I will avenge Frank for what she has done to us. We will start a cult and we will kill Wendy for the sin of what she's done! What she has done!
I'm sorry, Nina, but I don't think I can hold a grudge against somebody that didn't do anything to me.
It's okay, Morton. I will fight my own battles! Oh, it's just a team battle. I'll get what you guys said, but... Does anybody have anything else to say?
When's snack time?
Rest in peace, Frank. I will avenge you!
What are you doing, Nina?
I'm praying to the heavens! Okay, I'm done.
Now let's get some revenge.
I'm taking this french fries too! This is good.
Oh my god. No, he didn't. Did he? Oh my god. I just love eavesdropping on people. So creepy. Did I get a message? No, I didn't.
You don't mess with me, Wendy! You don't mess with me! I'm gonna take your photo and I'm gonna avenge Frank!
Oh my god, Iggy, you better not! My phone has done it!
I also replaced your perfume with skunk spray, you idiot! That's what you get for killing Frank! Take that, my ultimate revenge!
No!
Time to work on my experiment.